really quick video for you guys, as I promised, since it's Friday now. I just wanted to give you some quick advice, first of all, and say that, actually, I'm going to start with this. I am making a slideshow about kind of the, Matrix and how everything works in the world. And it goes very, very in depth into everything. It goes into also how it works on a general, just like base level, and then it goes into more specifics about things to avoid, like certain foods, certain drinks, certain things on the, things that you put in your body and things that you put in your mind that you should avoid, but also the opposite, things that you should put in your body and things that you should put into your mind to kind of help you to grow as a person and to really make sure that you aren't just, kind of a slave to the system and really giving into the propaganda. And that's exactly what you don't want. And that's what I'm going to help you to do. So I'm still working on that slideshow. I've been working on it for a while now, whenever I have time to just kind of type shit up. And I am doing my own research. I just want you guys to know that I'm doing my own research on everything, and I'm compiling everything so I can give you the absolute 100% truth. Okay? That's the things that I know to be true. Okay? So, the other thing that I wanted to say as advice is, make sure you're making some amount of money every single day. Some amount of money, okay? Do something. You can do literally any fucking thing to make money, okay? Every day. Make some sort of income. Because if you don't, you're gonna get fucked. Trust me when I say it. There are things coming. They're going to be either late this year in 2023 or next year in 2024. They're going to be bringing back COVID, and obviously we're already starting to see a lot of pushback, which is good, but that is also a bad thing, because that means that the more that people wake up, the more that they're also going to try to push back at us, and that's not a good thing, because they're going to be giving us hell. So make sure that we can really try to stay on top of things, keep praying. Make sure you follow God, read the Bible every day, do everything that you possibly can to become a better person. Make sure you, if you want to, obviously water is good for you. Drink water. If you're not drinking water, I know a lot of people don't like it because it's boring or it doesn't have a taste, but it's still good for you. You need it, and a lot of times, unfortunately, there is chemicals like atrazine and fluoride in the water, which are extremely poisonous. But to combat this, just get a reverse osmosis filter or some type of water filter, okay? So make sure you do those things. So every Friday I'm going to be uploading, so just make sure you stay tuned for that. So if you've watched till this point in the video, thank you very much. God bless you, and I hope you have a great rest of your day and a great weekend. See you.